Digital products using lithium batteries can be found everywhere. So how can we extend the battery life and keep it as healthy as possible? After purchasing a new laptop, fully charge it for the first time, preferably for at least 24 hours. This 24-hour charging period ensures a full charge and helps prolong its life. After fully charging, avoid fully discharging the battery as much as possible. If you primarily use your laptop connected to a charging cable, consider removing the battery. If you plan to not use your laptop for more than a month, it's recommended to remove the battery, even if the laptop is turned off. If your battery is not a lithium-ion battery, we recommend fully discharging and recharging it at least once a month. Avoiding extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, is also beneficial for your laptop. Especially emphasize that if the built-in battery swells or even causes the outer shell to deform, do not use it recklessly, but use it immediately until you replace laptop battery with a new one. Some customers may have forgotten the battery model when they bought the laptop a long time ago, which leads to mistakes when buying the battery. It is worth noting that the battery model may be hidden in some inadvertent places around you. If your laptop is running Windows, you can use the Power CFG command to retrieve some information about the battery. Press the Win plus R keys simultaneously on your keyboard, then type CMD to open a command prompt. At the command prompt, type powercfg.battery report and press Enter. The battery details will be output to a file and saved in your Windows Accounts Profile folder. The default location is C. Users is less than account, name is greater than, where is less than account, name is greater than, is your Windows account username. Find and open the file named Battery Report HTML. In this report, you'll first see the name of the laptop, along with the brand and model. Note that this only shows the battery name, not the model. You'll also see the battery's design capacity and full charge capacity, as well as the number of cycles, which can be used to determine the battery's lifespan. The most direct and quickest way is to open the laptop's D case to see the battery and then check the battery model and specifications.